Hey everyone! It's SilverHyena back again for a new video. This time it's just a smorgasbord of different markers. I've got the Touchnew, I've got some Faber-Castell brush, Pitt markers, Colorsharp Sharpies, and of course the Bic Intensity. And we're just gonna color in this lovely deer here. Hey, that rhymes. I wasn't even intending for that. So without further ado, let's just get started. I just love pulling out a wide selection of pens and markers and just going to town. The Bic Intensity are especially a delight to use, although the Cra-Z-Art Colorsharp aren't too bad. As you can see, I'm drawing another deer. This was so much fun to work on. I really wanted to practice more plants. Thus, the original sketch was created. I'm especially happy with how the antlers came out. It took several tries to get them to look right. Now, I've already used the Bic Intensity and the Colorsharp pens before in another video, and I loved using them then too. Both sets of pens just blend together so beautifully. Combined with the Touchnew markers I got off of Wish, which I've also used in their own video, I also utilized my trusty Faber-Castell Tones of Grey brush pens to round things out. By the way, I will have links to the before mentioned videos in the description below, so be sure to check those out. So, something I've been brainstorming. I thought it might be fun to try my hand at drawing what you, the viewers, suggest. I was thinking that you, my viewers, could send me a PM on my Instagram at SilverHyena with a loose description of what you'd like me to draw and what medium you'd like me to draw it in, provided that I have said medium available. But please, I ask that you keep things safe for work. I will not do anything of a naughty, gory, or in other words, nasty nature, so please keep suggestions clean. If you wouldn't show it to your grandmother, you know where this is going. That being said, if I pick your suggestion, I'll give your Instagram a shout out. Also, please be sure to follow me on Instagram, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. This idea, it just popped into my mind a little while ago, and I thought it would be a fun way to get myself out of my comfort zone, draw some things that I probably wouldn't normally draw, you know, stuff like that. I figure that if this takes off, I'll do one of these videos at least once a week, schedule depending. I'll have the rules listed in the description below. Overall, I really want to find some creative and fun ways to interact more with all of you, and I look very forward to reading your creative suggestions. All of these different pens and inks work together beautifully. This was so much fun to do, and I'm really happy with how this handsome stag turned out. I'd like to know, have you used any of these markers and/or pens before? Post in the comments. As always, I love to hear what you guys have to say. Alrighty, here we are. All done. This beautifully handsome stag. Oh my gosh, this was a lot of fun to work with. I loved using all of these different types of markers together. It was a real smorgasbord when you get down to it. Anyways, another little thing I would like to mention about this. If you like him, there's a chance you might be able to have him. What do I mean by that? Well, first of all, let's see if we can get this video up to 100 likes. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. I will pick the winner from the comment section. I will have a complete list of rules in the description, so be sure to check that out. Also, if you would like to support the channel, considering visiting my PayPal. Again, a link will be posted in the description below. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. And to those of you who want to win this bad boy, good luck! This is SilverHyena signing off. Stay creative, everybody.